Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. Well, you can check out on Amazon. Most of the time it's because no payment method is added. So Amazon lets you save cards, bank accounts, and even gift cards there. Adding one only takes a few seconds. So in today's small tutorial, I'm only gonna show you basically on how to do so. I'm talking about adding a payment method in Amazon Shopping or Amazon.com. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So, first and first, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet. Then go look for Amazon.com or just open the Amazon Shopping app on your iOS or maybe Android. We're gonna go then log in using your email address and password so you can access the dashboard. It's time now to access your account settings here. Then tap all the way to either gift cards to view the balance or redeem a gift or basically purchase a gift card. You can basically reload your balance by tapping on this button. Then buy a gift card now. You basically have to pick if you want like 150. You can basically pick whatever you want. You can even redeem a gift card if you want to apply to your balance. But if you want to access your payment method, view all transaction and all of this, come here and add your payment method. I'm talking about adding your card. So that's the main idea. Just enter your card or bank details and tap on save. As for more tips, you can add multiple cards and switch during the checkout. Amazon supports debit, credit, and even gift cards. Make sure your bank info matches your bank. And that's it. That's how to add a payment method on Amazon. As I told you, fast and easy. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.